Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we have a 2011 323i rear wheel drive, and today we are replacing the front shock on this car. So to do this, first remove the tire, and second thing, you can remove that fender lining from here to here. These are few bolts which you have to open here, here, on the other side, and down there, and that one is 10 mm. So first remove the tire so that you can have access to the shock, and second thing, remove that fender lining to access the control arm, because you have to loosen this thing up to take out your shock from the car. So yeah, just open these one. These are 8 mm and that one is 10 mm. So to take this out, you can just loosen all the bolts and you can pull it out like this. So in that way you have a better access to your control arm bolt, right? So that one is 17 mm or 18 mm. Let's loosen this first. So yeah, this one is 18 mm. You can use socket over there and gun over there to open this up. So don't pull this one out for now. Next step is to open our sway bar link bolt, because that one is connected to shock. So we have to remove this one. That one is, I think, 17. Oh yeah, looks 17, but let's try. It's a 17 mm or 16 mm, I don't know. You guys can find out, or I'll let you know. Just give me a second. Yes, it's a 16 mm, so we can use our gun to open this up. So it's pretty loose now, and now we're gonna put a 16 mm or 17 mm socket or key over there to hold that in one position, and we can open this up with our gun. So that's 18 mm. Let's try 18 mm. There is a bolt behind it, so yeah, see, it's a 18 mm. Now we're gonna use gun on that side to open this up. So as you can see, it's already out, so we can use hammer to pull this back. So you can use hammer like this, or you can try to swing the tire so that it will come out. So our next step is to disconnect our brake pad wear sensor and ABS sensor from here. You can just pull this out and it will come. So these are simple. So these were like this, just throw it out, and now we're gonna put some WD-40 here, right? So it will help to get the suspension loose, and before that, after that, we're gonna loosen this arm so that we can pull that thing down. So after removing that bolt, that one is 18 mm, so sorry, so it will come out from that side. Next step is to loosen this up. That's our outer tie rod. I hope you guys can see like this. Yeah, so this one is, I think, 18 mm. Just give me a second. Oh, it's 21. So that's how you're gonna open this up. That one is 20 mm and that one is T40 socket that gonna hold the bolt, and we gonna use our that thing to open this up. So you have to put a little bit extra force to open this up. So after removing this bolt, you can use hammer to pull that thing down. Or you can jiggle it a little bit, or you can move your steering to in straight position to take this one out, or you can use your hammer. It's not that much hard to take this one out, but I'm using my one hand, see, to take this one out. This one is out, this one is out. Now next step is to open these bolts. These are 13 mm, 1, 2 and one is down there. So to open this one up, you have to open this one. So you need a special socket for these bolts, and these are 13 mm. So let's do it. You need a E14 torque set socket or set, whatever. You can get it from Amazon. So maybe sometime you have to use your gun to open this up. It's pretty tight. And to open these one, you need 13 mm socket. So it's pretty easy. That's how you have to open all 3 bolts, or you can use something else to open this up. And to loosen this up, you can use 13 mm, that thing, to open this up. These are not super tight, so you can easily open it like this. So after removing all the bolts from the top of the shock, right, you have to pull this one out like this. So now our axle is pretty loose, that thing, and we gonna pull this suspension down from here, and after that we gonna remove this bolt, and we need something to put in between that line so that it will spread and we can take it out. So let's pull this down first. And before pulling this down, you have to loosen that bolt too, so that your inner control arm will go down and you can pull this out. When you're pulling this down, make sure you have a strong grip, otherwise you can hurt your face too. So this one is out. We're gonna remove that screw, right? And we don't have anything to put, so make sure you put something underneath, because otherwise it's gonna put pressure on this sensor too. Or you can just loosen it from here. So we're gonna put this one like this, and we're gonna hit it with the hammer to spread it out. So so like this. And to pull this out, you have to jiggle a little bit. You have to do a couple of times. Pause करिए. So that one is out. So before putting new shock, make sure you clean it with the rag, right? And we are replacing, we got it from Amazon. It's United Strut assembly. says ready to install. So that's our new shock. And when we are putting, so these lines, you can see these dots will go in center of this one, so you have to put a little bit pressure to push it down, and it will adjust automatically. It will stop here, so that's the main setting. That thing will go here and these will go in between them. So let's do this one. We have to pull this one in. So once you put it back, you have to align all the bolts like this. You have to align from the bottom, and you can just put few threads on this one so that it can hold. Next step is to put that bolt back, and don't tighten it, just put few threads on that one too, right? So next step is to put that arm back. So to do this one, you have to pull that plastic down, and you have to jiggle it a little bit so that it will go like this. Next step is to adjust it with the bolt. You can use your other hand because I'm holding the camera, so it's pretty hard for me. Oh yeah. Now we have to install few threads so that it doesn't move. We don't have to torque it down everything right now. We have to just put all the bolts back. See, it's good now. Now we have to put this one back. It's pretty easy. Just like this. You can put it back. So this one is back, this one is back, right? So don't forget to put this one comes from here to hold your all the sensor in position. So this will go in between them. So we're gonna remove that bolt and put this one back like this, and it will hold all your sensor back here. Or yeah, this will go like this. So let's open this up. So the toughest part is to put your sway bar link inside this, and this one is that much up. So to do this, you need a crowbar, and you have to put your crowbar here like this, and you have to push it down. As you can see, it will start moving when you are pushing down. So you need a one guy to push it down like this, and another guy will put that thing back. So after putting this one back, your sway bar link, next step is to tighten then these bolts. 1, 2, you can hand tight this one if you don't have a torque wrench, and this one is I think 100 Newton meter, and for this one too, I hope you can see, this one is also 100 Newton meter. You have to torque it down. So let's do this one first, and after that we can torque this one down, and in the end we can hand tight this one. So the main part is, before torquing down, we have to, you can put a jack under here so that you can just pull it your suspension to the right height so that you can torque it down properly. Otherwise it's not gonna work perfectly. So it's better you can just lift this thing up to the right height and then torque it down all your control arms. and the control arm is 100 lb per foot-pound torque. So after torquing these down to 100 lb feet-pound, and this one too, this one you can just hand tight it, and then next step is to tighten these bolts and this one. And once you are done with upper bolts, you can put your fender lining back, and that's how you guys can change the strut on 2011 BMW 323i rear wheel drive. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. I hope you like my video. So see you in the next video. Thanks.